In this video, I'm going to show you how to permanently remove apps from your iPad. Now, it's really easy to do, so let's go and jump straight into it. Now, the first step is you need to go and unlock your iPad like so and head over to the iPad screen. Now, go and locate the app that you want to delete. You can either find it from the home screen like this, or you can also use the search box and go and find it from here. Now, once you've found the app you want to delete, just hold your finger down on that app. You can then click on Remove App, and you'll see here we have the option to delete the app. Now, if you don't see this, I'll show you how to fix this in just a second. So we're going to press the Delete App button, and then go and press Delete, and this will completely remove the app from your iPad. Now, if you don't see this option, you'll need to go and load up the settings. On the left-hand side, scroll down to Screen Time, and then scroll down and click on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Make sure Content and Privacy Restrictions are turned off and disabled, and once you've done that, you should then be able to go and delete apps from your iPad.